Okay, so friends, I am Heena and our today's topic is linear equation. We all know what is meant by linear equation. So in the linear equations, there are variables, but the variables have degree 1 only. Okay, means ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is the standard linear equation where a, b and c are the constant. X is variable, y is variable. One or two or three variables may be here, but their power, their degree is 1 only. Okay, so this is the condition for linear equation. The equation may be in the form of only one variable, then also it is known as linear equation. Okay, now in this chapter we have to solve the problems or the applications or the problems based on these linear equations. Okay, uh, so some of the examples are given in the uh, solved example, and transposition method steps also given to you that identify the unknown quantity. When we solve the word problem, we have to identify the unknown quantity, then transfer all term containing the variable on the left side of the equation and the constant term on the right side. Now simplify the left hand side and right hand side in such a way that each side containing only one term, and now solve the equation obtained above by the systematic method. So these are the steps to solve the linear equation. Now we will directly solve the exercise so that we can understand the concept better way. Okay, now application of linear equation. When the word problem come, you have to represent the unknown quantity in the variable like x, y, w, then convert it into the mathematical statement or mathematical problem, then use the condition to form the equation, and then solve the equation for the unknown and check whether the solution is satisfied. So this is the steps to solve the word problem. Okay, now see, we look into one word problem. Now see, sum of the three consecutive multiples of 8 is 888. Which one of the following is that number? So suppose the first multiple of 8 is 8x. Okay, now consecutive numbers of this x, we say x is the first number, so first multiple is 8x, so consecutive multiples are 8x plus 1 or 8 into bracket x plus 1, 8 into bracket x plus 2, because x plus 1, x plus 2 are the three consecutive numbers, and 8 is in multiplication with three of them, so their addition is given to you as 888. So you have to find the value of this variable x. Now see, this is the representation of the equation 8x plus 8 into the bracket x plus 1 plus 8 into the bracket x plus 2 is equal to 888. Now multiply inside this equation with this 8, in this equation with 8, and simplify, and again further simplify it, solve it to find the value of x. When we will solve the problem, I will show you how to solve it. Okay, now some solved examples are also here. um, that you can check or you can go through it while you learn the topic. Okay. uh, or I will explain some of them to you. Now see, find the solution of the equation 2x minus 1 upon 3x plus 5 into is equal to 5. Now see, in this equation we have to find the value of variable x, that is the solution of the problem. Now what we can do here, now see, 2x minus 1 upon 3x plus 5 is the left hand side and 5 is at right hand side. So first we have to multiply both the side with 3x plus 5 so that the denominator 3x plus 5 in the left hand side will get cancelled, or you can directly shift this 3x plus 5 into the right hand side of the equation. So equation become 2x minus 1 is equal to 5 multiplied by 3x plus 5. Now multiply with 5 inside this equation. Okay. Now after multiplying inside with the 5 we get 2x minus 1 is equal to 15x plus 25. Now bring the same term to one side. So 2x, when this 15x will come to left hand side, it becomes negative. So 2x minus 15x, and 25 minus 1 when come to this side, it will become positive. So we transport or we transpose 15x to left hand side and minus 1 to right hand side. Now this become 26, this become minus 13. So minus 13, when it is in multiplication here, when it goes to right hand side, it comes into the division, or you can directly divide both the side with 13. Okay, so x is equal to minus 2. 13 2s are 26. Like this you have to solve the equation. Okay, now the same way you have to solve this also, but before solving this equation you have to convert this fraction into the like fractions. Okay, so this is the way to solve the equation. Now again here the same thing, you have to transpose something to left hand side, something to right hand side, and then we have to arrange the equation in such a way that variable came to one side and constant term came to other side. Okay, now the present age of Peter and John are in the ratio 4:3. 4 years later their ages will be in the ratio 6:5. What is the present age? So since the ratio of present age is 4:3, so their age is assumed as 4x and 3x, because ratio is 4:3. After 6 years age become 4x plus 6 and 3x plus 6, and the ratio given is 6:5. So you have to solve this like 4x plus 6 divided by 3x plus 6 is equal to 6:5. Now cross multiplication, after cross multiplying, bring the variable to one side, constant term to other side, and find the value of x. Okay, now the sum of the digits of two-digit number is 10. The number obtained by interchanging the digit exceeds the original number by 54. Find the number. Now see, there is one number. Okay, now say xy is one number. Now its sum is 10. Okay. Now say x is one digit, y is equal to 10 minus x. Okay. Now one digit is x, x, and other digit is 10 minus x. Okay. Now sum of these two means x plus 10 minus x. No. Okay. So we got two digits, which is one is x, one is 10 minus x. Now the number obtained by interchanging the digit exceed by 54. Now if this is at ones place, this is at tens place. So the number become, this is the digit. So you have to multiply this digit with 10. So 10 into 10 minus x plus x is equal to digit number, which is previous number. Okay, so the number is 100 minus 10x plus x is equal to 100 minus 9x is your one number. Okay. Now if we interchange the position, means this digit will come to ones place and x will come to tens place. So new number become 10x plus 10 minus x. So the new number is 9x plus 10. Okay. Because x now goes to tens place, so we have to multiply the number with 10, and digit number is 10 minus x. So this is the new number. Now the difference in between both the number is 54. Now simplify it and solve it. Okay, so 9x minus of minus 9x become plus 9x, so it becomes 18x minus 90 is equal to 54. Now bring the constant term to the right hand side and solve the problem. So 18x minus 90 is equal to 54. So 90 will come to this side. Total become 144. Now x is equal to 144 divided by 8. So one digit we got, it is 8. So the digit at unit place is 8. Digit at tens place is 10 minus 8, which is 2. So 28 is that number. Okay, understood? In this way you have to solve the problems. So the same here also monkey is climbing on the pole, ascends 10 meter, then step down 2 meter in alternate minutes. So see, in 1 minute he ascend 10 meter, in next 1 minute he step down 2 meter. Okay, so in 2 minutes how much the monkey ascend is to 8 meter. 10 minus 2 is 8 meter. Now the total length of pole is 57 meter. Okay, so how long will it take to reach the first at the top of pole? Now when he last ascend, he didn't step down. So if you divide 57 with 8, 8 7 ja 56. 1 minute. 8 7 ja 56 means 7 cycle it will take to ascend and descend. Okay, because in 2 minutes 8 meter he travels. Now last 1 minute का descent it will not take. So 7 2s are 14, but the nearest to 14 is 13. So he will take 13 minutes to climb up that pole. Okay. Now here also two trains are traveling in opposite direction and their speed is given. They cross each other in 18 seconds. The length of slower train is 480 meter. Length of faster train we have to calculate. So the answer is given in meter. So you have to first convert this kilometer per hour into the meter per second. Okay. And after that we have to calculate the relative speed. Means V1 plus V2 means this both का speeds addition in meter per second is the relative speed. Now in 18 seconds they cross each other completely, means they cross the full distance of both the trains. So distance covered by them is L1 plus L2. L1 is given to you, which is 480 meter. Now V relative is known to you and time is known to you, which is 18 seconds. So you can calculate the length of other train. Okay. Now denominator of the number is greater than its numerator by 8. If the numerator is increased by one number, the number obtained is 2 by 3. The number is. Now see, denominator of the number is greater than its numerator by 8. Now say if numerator is x, denominator will be x plus 8. Okay. Now if we increase this x with 1, the number obtained is 2 upon 3. So just solve this and find the value of x. And after finding the value of x, find the value of denominator also, so that you can find the rational number. Okay. Now we'll solve the practice exercise. Now see, our first example is we have to find the solution of the equation. Now our equation is 7y minus 5 upon 4y plus 2 is equal to 8 by 7. Now we will use the squid board to solve this example. Now see, what is our equation? 7y minus 5 upon 4y plus 2 is equal to 8 by 7. Now cross multiplication we have to do first. So 7y minus 5 is multiplied with 7 and this 8 is multiplied with 4y plus 2. Okay. Now multiply inside the equation with 7. 7 7s are 49y minus 7 5s are 35 is equal to 8 4s are 32y plus 16. Now bring the constant term to one side and variable to another side. So 49y, this 32 is positive here, it when come to left hand side it becomes negative, minus 32y, 16 plus 35, because here 35 is in subtraction, when it goes to that side it will be added, or simply here you have to add with 35, here you have to add with 35, so this 35 will get cancelled. Now 49 minus 32 gives us the value as 17y, and this is 16 plus 35 is equal to 51. Now 17 1s are 17, 17 2s are 34 and 17 3s are 51. So y is equal to 3. So C, where is your answer? Y is equal to 3. Option C gives us the answer as y is equal to 3. So this is your answer. Now the next question you have to which one of the following option is the solution of the given equation? Now you have to do same thing as we done in the first problem. Cross multiply. So 7 minus x is multiplied with 1, means it remains as it is, and 3 is in multiplication with 5x plus 1. And multiply and solve and find the value of x. Now, two trains start simultaneously from two stations which are 300 km apart from each other. Okay, the trains are moving towards each other. Speed of one train is more than other by 20 km per hour. If the distance between two trains after 2 hours is 20 km, find the respective speed of the two trains. Now see, two trains are moving towards each other. Okay, and what is the distance in between them is 300 kilometers. Distance between these two stations is 300 kilometers. The trains are moving towards each other with different speed. So speed of one train we say as x. So other train का speed is 20 kilometer per hour more than the first train. Okay, and here our answer is in kilometer per hour, so no need to convert the kilometer per hour to meter per second. Now this is the speed of one train as x, and this is the speed of other train as x plus 20. Now relative speed means combined speed of both the train is x plus 20, means 2x plus 20. Okay, kilometer per hour. Now both are moving, and how much distance now in between both of them is 20 kilometer is remaining. Okay, so out of 300 how much distance they travel? 280 kilometer they travel. Okay, one moves to left, one moves to right. Previously the distance was 300 kilometer, now the distance is only 20 kilometer. So they run how much distance? 280 kilometer they run. In how much time? In 2 hours. See, we will again read the question. Start simultaneously from two stations apart from each other 300 km. Move towards each other. Speed of one is more than 20 more than the other. Distance between the two trains after 2 hours is 20 km. Okay. So after 2 hours time is 20 km distance. Now we know the formula for distance is distance equal to velocity into time, or velocity is equal to distance upon time. Now distance is 280 kilometer, relative velocity is 2x plus 20, and time is 2 hours. Now solve it. These two, here it is in multiplication, when it goes to left hand side it comes to division. So 280 divided by 2 is equal to 2x plus 20. So 140 is equal to 2x plus 20, means 2x is equal to 140 minus 20. So 2x is equal to 120. So x is equal to 60. Now speed of one train is 60 and speed of other train is x plus 20, which is 60 plus 20 means 80. So 60 and 80 are the two speeds of the two trains. So our answer is answer B. Understood? What we do? We assume the first train ka speed as x, then we in the variable form we write the another train speed as x plus 20. Now relative speed of both the train is 2x plus 20. Distance covered by them is 280 kilometer, as only 20 kilometer distance left in between them. So distance is equal to velocity into time. The formula we use, velocity we know, relative velocity 2x plus 20, time is 2 hours and distance cover is 280. So solve the problem and find the value of variable. Now perimeter